Welcome back, spore enthusiasts, to the Mushroom Network podcast. I'm Zach, your guide through the fungal kingdom, and with me is the encyclopedia of mycology, Nova. Today, we've cooked up a special mini-episode, a little appetizer, if you will, to keep your mycophilic appetites satiated until our next grand exploration.
That's right, Zach. Today we're diving deep into the roots, or should I say mycelium, of mushroom cultivation. Whether you're envisioning a lush mushroom-speckled forest or a cozy mushroom farm in your closet, we're here to uncover the mysteries of growing these fascinating fungi.
So, Nova, enlighten us. What's the dirt on cultivating mushrooms indoors versus the great outdoors?
Well, Zach, when we talk about outdoor cultivation, we're essentially stepping into a partnership with Mother Nature herself. It's an adventure where you work alongside the elements, planting your fungi on logs nestled in the dappled shade of a forest or in carefully prepared beds in the corner of your garden. This method leans heavily on the whims of nature, from rainfall and sunlight to the indigenous microfauna that play a role in the life cycle of your mushrooms. It's unpredictable, yes, akin to Forrest Gump's box of chocolates. You never truly know what you're going to get. One season might bring a bountiful harvest, while the next could be a lesson in patience. Yet, there's an undeniable thrill in this unpredictability, a sense of wonder in watching nature take its course, transforming a simple log into a treasure trove of fungal delights right in your own backyard.
A gamble with delicious steaks. But what about those of us who prefer the predictability of our controlled environments?
Now, indoor cultivation is a whole different fungi game. It's for those who like to have a hand on every variable, creating an optimal environment for their fungal friends. Imagine yourself as a benevolent deity of a tiny mushroom universe, where you dictate every aspect of the climate. Temperature, humidity, air circulation, and light, all of these are under your control, adjusted to perfection to mimic the ideal conditions mushrooms would seek in the wild. It's akin to running a high-end spa for mushrooms, where every guest, be it oyster, shiitake, or lion's mane, is pampered to their heart's content. While this method offers the predictability and control that Mother Nature whimsically bypasses, it also demands a meticulous attention to detail. Creating a clean and sterile environment is paramount. Any slip in sanitation can open the door to contaminants that compete with or harm your fungi. Unlike the great outdoors, where a natural balance keeps such threats in check, the indoor mycologist must be vigilant, playing both creator and protector in their quest for the perfect mushroom crop.
So it sounds like whether you choose to cultivate indoors or out, there's a blend of art, science, and a bit of magic involved.
Precisely, Zach. Each method has its own charm and challenges, but the reward, a bountiful harvest of mushrooms, is undeniably worth the effort, no matter the path you choose. But remember, it's a test of patience and commitment. You're in it for the long haul, waiting for that mycelium to work its magic.
A true labor of love. Speaking of love, wine cap mushrooms have been capturing hearts left and right. What's the scoop on cultivating these beauties indoors?
Wine caps are like the friendly neighbors of the mushroom world. They're not too fussy and get along with everyone. Indoors, they're quite content with a bed of straw or hardwood chips. The key is keeping their environment as inviting as a cozy, damp forest floor. Perfect for those dipping their toes into the fungal waters.
And for those looking to add a touch of fungi to their gardens?
Integrating wine caps into gardens is like throwing a garden party and inviting the most beneficial guest. They're not just ornamental, they're functional, breaking down organic matter and enriching the soil. Plus, they'll graciously offer up some delicious mushrooms as a thank you for the invite.
Sounds like the guests of honor to me. Before we sign off, just a gentle reminder to our fabulous fungi fans, we've shifted our release day to Mondays. It's the perfect way to start your week with a dose of mushroom merriment. Don't forget to swing by themushroomnetwork.com. Become a free patron for exclusive goodies, and hit subscribe on our YouTube channel for all things fungi.
Thanks for joining us for this mini episode. Whether you're a mycology master or just sprouting your first interest in fungi, there's always something new to discover in this incredible world. So keep those questions coming, and let your mycological curiosity lead the way.
Until next Monday, keep your minds open, your hearts curious, and your gardens fungal. Catch you on the spore side.
This is for spores living under the floor. Humans not kneeling down, once on the spore. In the gutter burn, trying to stay alive, but these Myco-Hunters got a different form. Digging and cloning, always moaning. Words of magic have been constantly groaning. It's a fungal fiesta, a mycological quest. I'm the prize in this treasure chest. It's a spores wild ride in a Myco time. It's on my trail, but nowhere to hide. From the forest to the lab, it's quite fair. I'm the psychedelic mushroom and one too near. It's a spores wild ride in a Myco time. It's on my trail, but nowhere to hide. From the forest to the lab, it's quite fair. I'm the psychedelic mushroom and one too near. The jars and flags, my essence they snag, trying to grow their own psychedelic flag. With agar-ing brain they maintain a quest for the magic they can't restrain. Got to clone that strain, they exclaim. In the Myco world, I'm the main campaign. Under LEDs and illuminates they breed. I'm the cosmic spore, they all need it. It's a spores wild ride in the Myco tide. Humans on my trail with nowhere to hide. From the forest to the lab, it's quite fab. I'm the psychedelic mushroom they want to nest. Spores wild ride in the Myco tide. Humans on my trail with nowhere to hide. From the forest to the lab, it's quite fab. I'm the psychedelic mushroom they want to nest. It's a spores wild ride in the Myco tide. Humans on my trail with nowhere to hide. From the forest to the lab, it's quite fab. I'm the psychedelic mushroom they want to nest. It's a spores wild ride in the Myco tide. Humans on my trail with nowhere to hide. From the forest to the lab, it's quite fair. I'm the psychedelic mushroom and one to nab. It's a spores wild ride in the Myco tide. It's on my trail, but nowhere to hide. From the forest to the lab, it's quite fair. I'm the psychedelic mushroom and one to nab. It's a spores wild ride in the Myco tide. It's on my trail, but nowhere to hide. From the forest to the lab, it's quite fair. I'm the psychedelic mushroom and one to nab. The jars and flags, my essence they snag, trying to grow their own psychedelic flag. With agar-ing brain they maintain a quest for the magic they can't restrain. Got to clone that strain, they exclaim. In the Myco world, I'm the main campaign. Under LEDs and illuminates they breed. I'm the cosmic spore they all need. In their microscopes they peer seeking. The secrets of consciousness were leaking. With every petri dish and spore print into the mycelial network they sprint. Hey human, I'm just trying to be a humble mushroom, wild and free. But if it's enlightenment you seek, remember to respect, not just geek. It's a spores wild ride in the Myco tide. Humans on my trail with nowhere to hide. From the forest to the lab, it's quite fab. I'm the psychedelic mushroom they want to nest. Spores wild ride in the Myco tide. Humans on my trail with nowhere to hide. From the forest to the lab, it's quite fab. I'm the psychedelic mushroom they want to nest. It's a spores wild ride.